Hey, what's up guys? So a long-awaited update has arrived on Amazfit Active 2, and Amazfit has actually added a feature that a lot of people were waiting for, along with some other features as well. And in this video, I'll talk about all of them. So stay tuned till the end. But first, let me show you the update version here. If I go in System, in About, so this is the software version you should have, 6.1.18.3. If you have this software, you have the new update. And now let's take a look at all of these new features. The first feature that I want to talk about is the new glove mode. So now you can use Amazfit Active 2 with gloves on. Whether you're using it in winter or you are working with gloves on, you can now use the display on this watch with gloves. So this is a feature that you can actually turn on by going in settings and then go in preferences, and here if you scroll down you will see this feature at the end called glove mode. Go in here and you can enable it. And if you tap on this question mark, it actually tells you the device's touch screen will be more sensitive to ensure that gloves with a thickness of less than 2 millimeter can use the touch screen normally. So gloves with a thickness of less than 2 millimeter, you can use them on this display. Another thing they have added in this update is that now on the always on display, you will have a status notification. So right now I don't have any notification, so I cannot show you, but if the always on display is turned on, you will see a notification dot or indicator right here to indicate that you have pending notifications. And this setting you can also turn on by going in settings, go in display, go in always on display, and you can turn on status indicator from here. Moving on, next thing that they have mentioned in the update is the new design of the shortcut cards. So these cards here, but to be honest, I have not seen any difference in these cards since the update. They look exactly the same. So if you guys have noticed something, let me know in the comments below. But yes, they talk about the new updated design of the shortcut cards, but they look pretty similar. And now finally the last feature that I want to talk about, and the feature that actually everyone wanted on this watch. So previously, if the always on display is on or the display is off, you cannot tap on the display or double tap to turn it on, and that was a big problem for a lot of people. People wanted to be able to turn the display on by tapping it. So Amazfit has solved this issue. They have added this new update. So if you go in settings, go in display, scroll down, you will see this feature, tap to wake. So if you can go in here, you now have two options, single tap, and now it gives you the warning that it will consume more battery. So that's on you. And then you have the option to be able to wake up the screen with double tap. So if I double tap now, I can wake the display, which is great. And to be honest, should have been there in the first place. So that was everything mentioned in the update log, but there is one more feature that they updated in Amazfit Bip 6 and is now also available on Amazfit Active 2, but they have not mentioned it in the update log. So I'm not sure if this feature existed on Amazfit Active 2 from before, or they have added it now but didn't mention in the update log. So this feature is the auto brightness of always on display. So if always on display is on and I turn on the auto brightness and turn on the always on display, now you can see that it can change its brightness depending on the light that it is under. So you can see that it will dim out. There you go. And now it will increase in brightness based on if it is under direct bright light. So right now it's under direct bright light, and you can see that it is really increased the brightness. And now if it's in the shadow, it will dim down. There you go. So I'm not sure if this is a new feature that they have added in this update or it existed on Amazfit Active 2 from before. If you guys know, let me know in the comments. And that's about it from this video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care.